Hello guys. Uh, Today's topic is Z transformation. Basically, this the topic Z transformation. Today I teach. It's a request from my one of my friend. Uh, Z transformation is a very important topic for GATE. Uh, Basically, electrical and EC department. Basically, electrical and EC department. So what Z transform do? Basically Z transform convert time domain to frequency domain. Okay, so Z transform convert time domain to frequency domain. Time domain to frequency domain. There are two types of signal. One is continuous signal and another is discrete signal. What is continuous signal? We teach this continuous signal by some example. Like if we consider a sine graph. If we consider a sine graph, it looks like clear. The origin 0 and here pi, and this point pi by 2, this point pi by 4. This is the y-axis is time axis, and sorry, x-axis is time axis and y-axis it's amplitude. Then in this sine graph, every point like pi by 2 point or pi by 4 point, for every point of t there is a signal exist. There is a continuous signal exist. Every point, in every point there is a signal, there is a signal exist, and this type of signal we called continuous signal. There is another type of signal. But there is another type of signal like 0, that is t-axis, and that is amplitude. The signal looks like this, 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 this. Number 1 marked it, number 2 this is marked 3, this is number 4, this is number 5. So we see that here at the point number 1 and at the point number 2 the signal exists, but in between the gap the signal is absence. Clear? That means for every point of t, we do not get signal. For some particular point of c we get signal, and in other place the signal is absent. This type of signal is called discrete signal. Clear? Discrete signal. So in the case of continuous signal, we use Laplace transformation method, and in the case of discrete signal we use Z transformation method. Clear? Z transformation method. So basically Z transformation is a discrete version discrete version of discrete version of Laplace transformation. So basically Z transformation is a discrete version of Laplace transformation. Clear? Now we know what is the actual role of Z transformation. Basically, number number sequences number sequences number sequence can be number sequence can be generated by Z transformation. Number of sequence can be generated. There are a number of sequence and it can be generated by Z transformation in mathematically. Clear? So Z transformation is basically play the role of generator. Clear? So the Z transformation is basically play the role of the generator. If we know Z transformation, then Laplace transformation is very easy, because the properties of Z transformation and properties of Laplace transformation, moreover same properties. For to do Z transformation, we have an idea of generating function. The advantage of Z transformation is we can apply here the complex residue theorem, and this is called inverse Z transformation. So what is generating function? The generating function is look like the generating function is denoted by gx, and it's look like n equal to 0 to infinity an xn, where n is a real number any real number. So we expand the series. The series is a0 x0 plus a1 x1 plus a2 x2 plus dot 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 dot. This is generating function. Similar Z function is similar like generating function. The Z transformation is similar like generating function. So what is Z transformation? We denote Z transformation Z U N. It is also denoted by U Z and equal to n 0 to infinity un z to the power minus n, where z to the power minus n, where n is real. Then expand the series, we get u0 z0 plus u1 z to the power minus 1 plus u2 z to the power minus 2 plus dot 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 dot. That means u0 z0 plus u1 z plus u2 z square plus dot 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 dot. This is the basic formula of Z transformation. In the next class, we'll learn some standard result and properties of Z transformation, standard result and properties of Z transformation with first right shifting property, left shifting property, damping theorem and initial theorem. Clear? Thank you. Take care, and if you like the video, then please share. Thank you.